Chipmaker Nvidia has overtaken Microsoft as the world's most valuable company. Only days ago, Nvidia's market valuation surpassed iPhone maker Apple. Now, it has dethroned Microsoft as well. Its share climbed 3.5% on Tuesday, boosting its market capitalization to $3.335 trillion. Meanwhile, both Microsoft and Apple's stock have dipped. Nvidia's growth is stunning, but it's not new. It has been on an upward curve since 2020. But before we give you the figures, what is it that Nvidia does? For starters, it invented graphics processing units or GPUs back in 1999. For the unversed, a GPU is an electronic circuit that can perform mathematical calculations at high speed. Tasks like graphics rendering, machine learning, and video editing require these same mathematical operations. Nvidia has been more successful than its peers in turning computer codes into realistic images. Today, it is a leading global manufacturer of GPUs for gaming, crypto mining, and professional applications. But that is only one segment of Nvidia's business. Another one involves computing and networking. Nvidia powers the world's fastest supercomputer, as well as the most advanced systems in Europe and Japan. It also produces chips for automotives and robotics. What's more, it is powering the metaverse, creating a digital twin of our planet to help predict climate change, and is actively being used by scientists for exploration. But one thing that may have made all the difference is Nvidia's entry into the AI race. Nvidia has been engineering advanced chips, systems, and software for AI-enabled factories. These systems are crucial for training and operating AI systems. Is that the reason behind Nvidia's rise to the top? Let's look at the market trends. Nvidia's shares have surged more than 200% over the past 1 year. According to Forbes, Nvidia's market capitalization stood at $364 billion at the end of 2022. In 2023, it soared to $1.223 trillion. Earlier in the month, it surpassed the $3 trillion mark, and today it is valued at $3.335 trillion. Here is an interesting anecdote to better understand Nvidia's success on the market. The company went public in 1999 for $12 per share. If you had invested only 10,000 rupees back then, you could have been a millionaire today. Based on the rupee-dollar exchange rate of around 43 in 1999, an investment of 10,000 rupees would have earned around 19 shares. Over the years, Nvidia has announced stock splits to reward its investors and make it easier for them to own its shares. One share of Nvidia bought before 2000 has turned into 480 Nvidia shares as of today. This means 19 shares bought in the IPO would have turned into 9,120 shares of the company. Now, at the current trading price of $135 per share, these shares are valued at around 10.3 crore rupees, that is $1.231 million. And as per analysts, the profits would only continue to increase. According to Rosenblatt Securities analyst Hans Mosesmann, as cited by Bloomberg, the chipmaker will further push its market value to nearly $5 trillion this year. Coming back to our question, is AI driving this growth? According to various reports, Nvidia made an early bet that AI would take over the world. The chipmaker has already built advanced AI infrastructure for its products. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the AI revolution. Companies shifted to remote work. Demand for data centers for cloud-based computing increased. There was more interest in video games as people remained stuck at home. All of this may have accelerated Nvidia's revenues and subsequently its market value. Business giants are banking on artificial intelligence as the next big thing, and Nvidia seems to be powering the revolution.